going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk a little bit about the 992 Turbo S. Just the other day we got it back from Hydra Motor Works. They tuned it. Gained I think 90 wheel horsepower, so now we're looking at 670 to the wheels. So that thing definitely picked up some power. But today we're actually going to take it over there and they're going to put on the Soul Performance Cat bypass pipes. Kind of, allow you to hear more of the turbo noise, but also gain quite a bit of torque. I think it's like 80 pounds of torque and like 20 horsepower. So that thing is, it's already very fast. So this is definitely going to wake it up a little bit. Maybe need to put some different tires on it in the future. But yeah, so stay tuned. Kind of going to go take it over there soon. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video.